Hi, I'm Keiko. I own the building of a new Japanese restaurant in Milwaukee. I bought it last year and wanted to renovate it, but didn't think that was feasible due to the costs. After contemplating for a while, I came across an article that changed my life forever. It explained cost segregation, which was a new concept to me. I learned that cost segregation recognizes that a property isn't just a single entity, but that it's actually made up of a lot of subcomponents, like the heating and air conditioning systems that wear out and lose value over time. A cost segregation study breaks down these subcomponents into shorter lifetimes, based on how long they're expected to last. This accelerates depreciation, resulting in huge first-year tax savings. In fact, I received over $425,000 in first-year tax savings. That not only funded the renovations but also allowed me to install new computer and Wi-Fi systems, a new kitchen, expand the dining area, and buy tablets so customers can order right from their table. Having the cost segregation study done opened up so many new possibilities. I'm forever thankful.